Welcome to Spanish for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sarah Thompson with Carlos Mendez. Today, you'll learn useful Spanish for hosting a healthy brunch language exchange, inviting locals, checking dietary needs, offering a skill swap, and closing warmly, while improving your habits and connections as a nomad. Let's get started. Picture this. You're in a sunny cafe, laptop closed, wanting friends and real practice, but dreading the awkward, "Hi, do you want to talk?" moment. You want something casual, low cost, and actually useful, not another noisy meetup where you never speak. Today, we fix that.
I love that image. I've been there. By the end of this episode, you'll have 6 simple Spanish lines, slow pronunciation, habit tips for protecting your energy, and a ready-to-run 48-hour plan to host a 4-person brunch. Let's teach the language first.
Section 1. Invitation language and polite openings. These are the phrases you'll use to invite someone and start a friendly conversation. Phrase 1. Spanish. ¿Te gustaría venir a un brunch saludable este domingo? ¿Te gustaría venir a un brunch saludable este domingo? English. Would you like to come to a healthy brunch this Sunday? Quick tip. Suggest Sundays or late mornings so it's sweep-friendly and won't wreck your energy for work.
Phrase 2 is a short, friendly opener you can use at a cafe counter or table. Hola, me llamo Carlos. ¿Vienes aquí a menudo? Hola, me llamo Carlos. ¿Vienes aquí a menudo? Hi, my name is Carlos. Do you come here often?
Phrase 3 closes the initial invite with an easy next step. Trae a un amigo si quieres. Será casual. Trae a un amigo si quieres. Será casual. Bring a friend if you want. It'll be casual.
Section 2. Phrases for dietary needs, suggesting a healthy menu, and offering a skill swap. These are gold for creating a comfortable, useful exchange. Phrase 4. Spanish. ¿Tienes alguna preferencia alimentaria o alergias? ¿Tienes alguna preferencia alimentaria o alergias? English. Do you have any dietary preferences or allergies? Why it matters. Respecting food needs builds trust and shows you care about their comfort. Phrase 6 is the transition to a skill swap. Ofrezco clases de inglés a cambio de ayuda con cocina o contenido web, si te interesa. Ofrezco clases de inglés a cambio de ayuda con cocina o contenido web, si te interesa. English. I offer English lessons in exchange for help with cooking or web content, if you're interested.
Quick recap of the 6 lines. Invite, polite opener, bring a friend, ask about diet, suggest a simple healthy menu, and offer a skill swap. These cover the full interaction from hello to follow-up.
Section 3. Habit and income tie-in, plus a role play. First, why a weekly brunch helps your routines. It locks in a social meal, supports meal prep, and gives you a consistent morning rhythm that protects sleep and appearance. Small wins like ready-to-eat bowls keep energy high. Now role play. I'll be the local regular, and Sarah, you invite me. Use the Spanish lines naturally. Ready? Go!
Hola, me llamo Sara. ¿Vienes aquí a menudo? Me gustaría organizar un brunch saludable este domingo. ¿Te gustaría venir? Trae a un amigo si quieres. Será casual.
¡Qué buena idea! Sí, me interesa. ¿Tienes alguna preferencia alimentaria o alergias? Me gustan los bowls de frutas y zumos naturales. Great! Now we'll replay 2 key lines slowly so you can practice aloud. Line 1. ¿Te gustaría venir a un brunch saludable este domingo? Slow. ¿Te gustaría venir a un brunch saludable este domingo? Immediate 48-hour practice plan. 1. Find a venue, your favorite cafe, or a co-host's apartment. 2. Write a short invite message in Spanish and English. Use the invite line plus date/time. 3. Post in local Facebook groups, community boards, and messaging apps. 4. Confirm 4 people and plan a simple menu. 5. Bring printed name tags and a one-line skill swap card.
Tips to lower activation energy: co-host with another nomad. Pick easy menu items you can source or prep in 30 minutes, and set a small fee or optional paid follow-up so the exchange can convert into income if people want more.
Your immediate action: say one invite line out loud today, even to a barista. Use the slow pronunciation, smile, and mark it off your list. Daily practice builds real confidence.
CTA. We made a printable practice script and a step-by-step mini course to walk you through your first exchange. Sample invites, messaging templates, a simple menu, and scripts to offer paid follow-ups. Download the printable, join the mini course, and try to speak one invite line before our next episode.
Remember, small habits like running a weekly brunch protect your energy, boost your appearance and confidence, and open doors to micro gigs. Master the language, master your nomad life.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Spanish, optimize yourself, and connect deeper.
Speak Spanish, build your tribe. See you tomorrow for another quick lesson. Ha ha!